Hello Capricorn, welcome to my channel. This is Lady of the Throne, and this is going to be your love advice and guidance for April 1st through the 15th. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you are new, I hope that you subscribe, and I hope that you all like and resonate with this reading. If you do, be sure to hit that thumbs up before you go, and you can drop a comment down below as well if this resonates with you. So the way my readings are designed, they're designed for those of you who just like to listen on the go. So if you want to just pop in those earphones, listen to it that way, that is the best thing to do. You can still move around and do other things that you want to do. All right. So Capricorn, let's just jump right in. Your energy is very interesting at this time, so it's going to be quite an interesting reading as well. So let's start with our first thing. In these readings, we look at two things, okay? We look at how do you feel about this person? How does your person of interest feel about you? And this is love interest. And also, how do you see them and how do they see you? Now, I do offer extended readings, so check out the link down below if you want to check out your extended reading, because I do have videos for that as well, and we go deeper. We look at where is it going next, where is it headed, how to fix the issue that you're dealing with this person, okay? So Capricorn, April 1st through the 15th, I pick up that somebody around you is going to be studying you. This could be your love interest. This could be another person, okay? This could be a person who's interested in you, but you're not interested in them. It could be either one, either way. Somebody's going to be studying you. Like this person does it like school. I am so serious. Someone is watching you like an absolute hawk, okay? Watching you in every single thing that you do. This is someone who's searching for answers on you. So don't say I did not tell you if you find out who this is and what they're doing, okay? They're searching for answers on you. This person is someone who I feel wants to make amends with you. I strongly feel like this could be an ex or a person who you used to deal with or date in the past. They want to make amends with you. They want to apologize to you for something that they've done wrong or that they've done to hurt you. Current partner or past partner, a secret crush, a coworker, it could be anyone. Someone's watching you and they want to apologize to you about the way they treated you. This person wants to balance things out. They've noticed that you two did not see eye to eye within the connection because they were like a dark energy and you were like the light, or they saw things the wrong way. Okay, they just didn't see things the right way, or they feel like you didn't see things the right way and they want to prove themselves to you. So it is something like that going on here. But I do think that your approach to this, Capricorn, is like, well, if life throws you lemons, you make lemonade. I feel like you guys just made the best of the situation. No matter what this person has done, you guys had no choice but to make sense of the situation in order to keep moving forward. So this person is someone who has made themselves, I think that this person has made themselves a fool, possibly. Okay, it seems like this person has done something that was a little foolish or risque. Okay, they definitely did something that didn't require for you to really take it there with them, but you wanted to take it there with them because of what they did, or you did take it there with them. So it's just like crazy, but they left you no choice but to just make the best of it, okay, in order to move forward. So you guys are just like, yeah, you know. Now, on another note, I am getting here something that's totally different from what we're saying here. But if you've been thinking about studying something yourself, then you could also be starting to feel like you want to go back to school or pick up a new trade or some type of side hobby, side job, or business idea for you to make some more money. Okay, so yeah, you could be definitely trying to manifest or produce more income at this time. Okay, or you're thinking about your future, your long-term plans, what you want to be, and how you want your life to be for the next 5 to 10 years. So some of you could be really strategically planning your future. Okay, for some of you, you could get those kind of thoughts come up. Now, your person of interest, what's their feelings? Okay, this person has been feeling antisocial lately. They don't want to talk to anyone, or they feel like you've been antisocial. So listen, this person may or may not show on the surface these feelings because they're feelings. It's something that this person is feeling, okay? So, but this person has been feeling the need to be antisocial, not talk to anyone. Possibly they haven't been talking to you. This could be someone who didn't feel like they should come forward and talk to you. But I feel like now they do, okay? Capricorn, you could be the one that wants to make amends to someone. You could be the one that wants to talk, but they're not talking to you. You could be the one that wants to apologize about something, but they're not talking to you. So it could go either way here. But what I'm getting is that this is someone who knows that the truth lies within them. They know that there's a truth that they want to tell you about. Like they want to tell you how they are feeling about whatever it is that you guys went through. How they are feeling after an argument or after a situation. They really do want to tell you. They feel like they do, but they keep the truth tucked within. Okay? So this is a person who is not saying how they really feel, or they feel like you're not saying how you really feel. Capricorn, again, it just depends on who did the hurting in the situation, who needs to make amends. So flip the messages how they need to be. But yeah, other than that, they are focused on more practical things right now. I feel like this person is feeling like if they focus on important things that they have going on, like work, bills, and practical things, then they can kind of ease the way they feel about the situation. Okay, so they could be doing other things to distract themselves from the truth and the truth that they should be telling you. This is someone who you may see relaying messages back and forth with other people, like their coworkers, their colleagues. You may see this as someone who handled the situation in a more immature way. Like instead of talking with you about it, they talk to others about it. Or this is someone who feels like this about you, Capricorn. This person could feel like they see you talking to coworkers and colleagues and other people about your relationship or your connection, or just in general talking to people, but like the way you approach things with them, you're very immature about this. You're not really talking to them, so because you're not talking to them, they're shutting down. Or they have shut down, okay? This person shut down, or they feel like they need to shut down here, okay? They want to approach you, but I feel like they just, I don't know, they just don't know what to say, but I think they took it wrong. So if you've been talking to people about your problems and things like that, then this person just doesn't understand that all you were doing was venting to your family or your friends. All you were doing was venting. All you wanted to, like, you were being normal. You had a relaxed approach to a lot of things in the situation, but you talking to people is, I feel like, this is what I feel. If they hadn't been watching you or studying you, then they wouldn't have known you were talking to people about the situation. Then that's why it's like they disappointed themselves, or they went and did something that they weren't supposed to do. It's like, don't go looking for the truth. You might not like what you find. And it seems like this person went to go and search and dig up stuff, and then they found things that you said, or they overheard something, or they heard something through the grapevine, or they saw something on your social media that you posted that they felt some type of way about. it's just like, why are you searching? If you didn't search for this, you wouldn't have found it. You know, it's like that. Or why are you watching me? You know? So that's what it seems here. Now, let's go into the point of view. How do you see them? Okay, so Capricorn, it looks like you see this person as like someone who you want a family with, or someone who you have a family with. So either you want a family with them or you have a family with them. You see this person and your child or children, either now or future child or children, being together and being a family unit. Like, you are all about family. You value that. So you see this person being this person for you. I think that you have this inner compass that lets you know that things are going to be okay one day. Like, you're still a little hopeful despite all of this. But the way you see this person as someone who has freed themselves from you, you feel like this person likes their freedom. If they are single now, you feel like they just love being single. They don't want to come back, or they don't want to be with you. You may look at that. Or if they still are dealing with you romantically, then you may just feel like they want their space right now during this first 2 weeks of April. You also see this person dealing with a lot of stress and tension over you. Over you. Yeah. You see them feeling some type of way about you. Okay, but really, you have a higher perspective here, because you know that this person's feelings about losing you, or losing you in the past, or whatever it is that they're upset about or not speaking on, you know that this is self-infliction. This is something that they did on their own. You didn't do it. That's how you see it. Like, you just know that this person needs to practice more self-love. They don't love themselves enough. So this person is limiting themselves from opening up to you, because if they weren't searching for things, they wouldn't have found it. And then the craziest part is this: whatever this person is finding the first 2 weeks of April, or whatever they feel or had been feeling, they did all of this on their own. They jumped to conclusions on their own. Like, you could have posted something on social media, right, Capricorn, and you could have just been like, so I have a coworker who I think is funny. Today, he cracked a joke and I laughed so hard I fell off a chair. Okay, you're not thinking anything of it, but for some reason this person thinks you have something going on with a coworker, or you're interested in someone else, so that scares them and they don't come forward. It's just something that this person is doing that makes them feel like you're, gosh, help them. It's like this person thinks that, you know, they don't want to open up to you or get close to you right now. It's a mindset that's blocking this person. That's how you see it. Now, it doesn't mean that this is true. We're going to look at how they see you. It doesn't mean that this is how they feel, you know, but the way the feelings and the point of view lines up, it seems like we're very close to how they feel. Okay. So you see this person as having the kind of mindset that's negative, and that they need to like chill, just really chill. Now, this person, the way they see you, they see you putting an end to a lot of things that you used to allow. That's what they see. They see you growing. That's what it is, Capricorn. They're intimidated because you're maturing right in front of their eyes. You've grown right in front of their eyes. You've learned so many new things. This person sees you as someone who's learned so many lessons, or like a major lesson about giving to people, and now you're wiser. This person is so funny. They know that you've given so much of yourself to them, and they know this. But instead of being a man or woman about it and coming at you in a real way and saying, hey, I know that you've given more than I have, let me reciprocate this. No, they're not doing that. This person's been acting really immature. This person's been like just letting you do it. Just letting you do it. And, you know, now, not anymore. Not anymore. Capricorn, they know you have put an end to giving and giving and giving and giving and giving to them. So they know that you've changed. Some of you, they could be wanting to travel with you, or invite you on a trip okay, or go on a date with you. This is someone who also feels like they want you to be careful who you talk to at this time. It's something about you talking to people or opening up to people about your connection right now. It's something about your family or your work co-workers or people at work, around work, your family. Something like that is going on. They also feel like these people around your family or work environment, they could really harm your connection, or they have harmed your connection in the past. Maybe your family or your coworkers have something to do with the reason why this person hasn't given you the truth yet about whatever it is that happened between the two of you. There has been outside influences, outside people involved in the situation, and they've been very petty with your connection. And you didn't know, Capricorn, that these people were doing negative things behind your back with this person. So someone was interfering with your connection in a very bad way. Like, some people were talking about you guys. It was getting back to your person. It could be a situation where your person had bad thoughts about you because of what your family was talking about, or they overheard or saw something on a family member's page and thought that this is how you felt. People were saying stuff. I'm telling you, Capricorn, I know. People were saying stuff. Friends, family, coworkers. Somebody was getting in this person's head, or this person saw stuff and they thought that, wow, they thought that you didn't want them because of what other people were saying, or because of the things you told other people, and then other people started to play around in your energy as a result. This person feels like you should never go to other people for your love advice. That's how they feel. That's how they feel. Your family and your friends, they feel like they're not for you. They don't support you. This person wants you to allow your words, your love, and your understanding to form a light, okay, in your life, so that you can heal from this situation. Like, they don't want you to be brash with them in your communication anymore. They don't want you to talk to other people about what's going on between the two of you anymore. They don't want you to they don't want you to hold back your love with them anymore. But they see it's something about this person knowing something that you didn't know. That's what it is. This person has been watching you and studying you to see how you move around the people that's around you, because these people had something to do which interfered with the connection with you guys. Wow. Yep. We're gonna continue this. If you guys want the extended and continue this and go into more details, uncover more secrets here, we might actually find out what they found out. So yeah, get your extended. This is gonna be juicy. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope this has helped you. And remember, God first.